Want to know the most powerful thing I ever said to a woman who told me I was too old for her? She ended up pursuing me for months after. Here's the weird part. I never actually tried to convince her otherwise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn a simple 3-step method called TAP that turns your too old into I can't stop thinking about you, and how you can implement this method in real life. But before I reveal this counterintuitive technique, let me show you why most men completely destroy their chances when a woman says, "You're too old for me," and how just last week, one of my friends turned this exact objection into the reason she chose him over younger guys. I've studied hundreds of age gap relationships over the years, and after analyzing how men handle this specific situation, here's what shocked me. The men who succeeded weren't the ones who looked youngest for their age. They were the ones who understood this hidden psychology I'm about to share with you. When a woman says, "You're too old for me," you're standing at a crossroads that will define every interaction you have with younger women from that moment on. Think about it. You've probably spent years building your success, confidence, and lifestyle, and in just 30 seconds, one wrong response can make all of that irrelevant in her eyes. I've seen it happen hundreds of times. The successful CEO who fumbles his words and instantly becomes the old guy. The confident businessman who tries too hard to prove himself and loses her respect. The charming professional who lets this one comment shake his entire frame. But here's the truth nobody's talking about. When she says, "You're too old," you have a unique opportunity that younger guys will never have. In fact, this objection can actually be the moment she becomes more attracted to you than ever. The triple death trap. Let me show you the 3 responses that instantly kill attraction. I call these the triple death trap because any one of them can destroy her interest in seconds. Death trap 1, the defensive response. No, I'm not that old. I mean, I work out 5 times a week, and everyone says I look way younger. Why this fails, you're pleading your case, which tells her age actually is a problem for you. If it's a problem for you, it becomes a problem for her. Death trap 2, the logic trap. Well, actually, studies show that age gaps can lead to more successful relationships. Plus, older men are more financially stable and emotionally mature. Why this fails? You can't logic your way into attraction. Listing reasons why she should date you makes you lose. Death trap 3, the confidence killer. Yeah, I guess maybe I'm kind of old for you. Why this fails? Accepting her frame and showing uncertainty confirms every stereotype she might have about older men. The TAP method. What if I told you there's a way to take this supposed objection and turn it into the reason she can't stop thinking about you? I've developed the TAP method, a 3-step response that turns this objection into attraction. 1. Transform the test. When she says, "You're too old for me," respond with a playful smirk. "You're absolutely right. I'm ancient. In fact, I just finished writing my memoirs from the Renaissance." Why this works? You're showing confidence, can't be emotionally manipulated, and shift the dynamic to playful. 2. Amplify the attraction. Follow up with, "But you know what's interesting? You're quite mature for your age. The way you handled that situation earlier, most women in their 30s wouldn't have had that insight. Oh, why this works. You've turned the tables by evaluating her and complimenting her. 3. Position the power shift. Oh, end with a playful challenge. Actually, I should probably be more concerned about whether you're mature enough for me. What's the most sophisticated thing you've done this month? Oh, why this works. You're the selector now, creating positive tension and flipping the frame. Pre-framing your age. Want to avoid this objection altogether? Use pre-framing to position your age as an asset. The experienced thread. Casually drop into conversation. That's one thing I love about this stage in life. You get to understand things most people don't appreciate until much later. The social proof setup. My ex was actually about your age. She always said the best thing about our relationship was the value flip. You know what's fascinating about meeting people from different generations? You get to combine fresh perspectives with real-world wisdom. By doing this, you make age a non-issue before it ever comes up. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.